Do you empty your gutters?
I don't, hubby does.
Welcome to Quay House in the beautiful Conwy in Wales. Now this is the UK's tiniest house. It measures 6 feet wide and 10 feet high. It's like a doll's house with a postcode. I've teamed up with HomeServe to talk to locals about the tiny things that they can do to keep their homes in great shape this winter. According to research, 42% of us put off tiny jobs that end up costing thousands in the future.
I have never ever cleaned my gutters out in 15 years.
If you don't clear out the gutters and all comes over the top of the gutters, it's a very noisy seagull, isn't it? It's the noisiest seagull in the whole world. And then the water penetrates through and you end up with damp patches inside your house.
Yeah. The house is slightly drafty.
How long have you left it and meant to do it?
A good 6 to 8 months.
Oh dear.
There's draft-proofing strips at the top of the windows that we need to replace in our house.
And don't pour fat down your drains, whatever you do.
Don't get me going. So no baby wipes, no fat.
Definitely.
I bought some very long rubber gloves to clear all the drains out. So.
Brilliant. So make sure, particularly the pipes that are outside, make sure they're insulated because a burst pipe is...
It's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare.
I think the main one is my radiators because they're never hot enough.
Open up the radiator and air will squirt out.
Right.
And keep doing that until water comes out. But make sure you've got a towel held underneath.
Okay.
Otherwise it could drip on the carpet. There's some brilliant tips on the homeserve.co.uk/tiny fixes website, so there's lots of videos that remind you what to do. I've got a spare radiator key here for you in case you run out of one.
I will treasure it.
You treasure that. Thanks to everyone who stopped to chat and to HomeServe for helping empower homeowners with the knowledge and confidence to keep their homes in good shape. Until next time, Conwy.